Welcome to another episode of the Lazorpoint Podcast, where we delve into the latest trends and essential strategies to protect your business in today's digital landscape. Today, we're focusing on a critical topic: cybersecurity in private equity-backed manufacturing firms. As Matt Kraska, CEO of Lazorpoint, puts it, manufacturing companies often lack a clear understanding of their assets and vulnerabilities, putting critical operations at risk. This can lead to security incidents that cause massive disruptions, costs, and downtime. So, what are the key aspects of cybersecurity that PE-backed manufacturing firms need to focus on? First and foremost, ensuring the uptime and availability of production environments is crucial. Cyber attacks can disrupt operations, leading to significant financial losses. Resilient systems are essential to withstand such disruptions. Next, let's talk about protecting operational technology, or OT assets. These are integral to manufacturing processes, and cybersecurity measures must be in place to protect these assets from threats, extend their shelf life, and ensure they continue delivering value. Compliance with regulatory and insurance requirements is another critical area. Effective cybersecurity measures help you adhere to these frameworks, reducing non-compliance risk and associated penalties. PE investors require comprehensive, top-down reporting on the cybersecurity posture of their portfolio companies. This includes at-a-glance dashboards that provide insights into how each business performs against established cybersecurity standards. Integration challenges often arise when centralizing back-office operations within a PE portfolio. Implementing centralized systems without a core product can be complex and expose vulnerabilities. Finally, establishing minimum security standards and managing point solution purchasing are essential steps. Without a unified approach, inconsistencies and vulnerabilities can arise. That's it for today's episode. Remember, cybersecurity is not just a technological challenge, but a strategic imperative. Stay safe and secure out there. Until next time.